Recording in progress.
Well, even Q's, we have a really strong opening. Low key. Second candle, do we drop? Do we continue? AMD's above entry. Q's have pushed up a lot. What about IWM? I never looked at it. By the time I would have gotten IWM, I had already gotten my 6, so I just never looked at it. PLTR coming down after entry. Amazon maintaining towards the upside. AMD is fighting. INTC is consistent. Amazon's candle is closing low. They actually shouldn't be perfect, Abby. Those levels, they shouldn't be exact. Because you can't guarantee you're going to find something every 50 cents or 30 cents exactly. AMD does move a lot. More seconds left on this candle.
Hello.
It looks like QQQ's finding its bark. Go QQQ. INTC is also really strong. If we can get above entry on QQQ, we could go 611 or 610. INTC, I think it would be 46. Palantir, I don't have it.
Oh, Snapchat, my fault. Chat. Hello. It's good, yeah, it's good, yeah. I was trying to look at something, my bad, hold on. I'm trying to go to. What's good, y'all boys? How we doing? How we feeling? Good morning. It's day 23 of day trading options. We only got 7 more days. It's crazy. Appreciate all the viewers in the chat right now. We're on day 23. Market just opened 4 minutes ago. I came in kind of late, so I was trying to watch some. Trying to see how to trade some. But we starting off green. We at 683. We got $681. I'll try to see if we can come up today. Or we will come up today. Let me be confident. Let me rephrase that. We will come up today. And yeah, man. Trying to see if I should do more than one contract. I don't know yet. Okay, let me check something. Lower open. Futures. What's that talking about? Chest I just put up already, freak. Nice. Let me watch this video real quick. Wow. I'm just gonna stand here, everything here. But one day when I get the real trading, like for real trading, I'm gonna go on TradingView. Maybe I may just use Robinhood, to be honest. might literally just use Robinhood. Because why not? So how y'all day going so far? Let me know. How y'all day going so far? My day pretty good so far, man. Just got done with the workout. I'm saying, prayed this morning, read the Bible. Feel me? Worked out. Drank me some water. Feeling good, man. Feeling good. This is to see risk management. It's this one. This is to see risk management. I'm gonna do this.
Guys, today. All right, guys. Well, welcome to mini mentorship class number 3. Today's class is going to be kind of relaxed because I wanted to get into the heavier portion of how to. Tomorrow, I want to cover contracts. I want to cover the Greeks. I want to cover everything about entering and exiting. So that way, on Tuesday, we can have our morning class, right? And then actually take trades during that time frame. Does that make sense? So I wanted the class the night before to be like the precursor to like, okay, how do we use our platforms? How do we enter, exit, all those things? So that way we can actually execute that in real time on Tuesday. And that's going to be at 10 a.m. on Tuesday. So that's what we're going to be doing. So today's class, I really wanted to kind of solidify some of the principles that we were talking about, Central Time, and also talk about creating watch lists. I want to talk about trading fundamentals, and I kind of want to talk about this current climate that we have coming up. Now, we do have a webinar on Tuesday. If you guys saw the announcement, I want to talk about finances and investing and crypto and all the fun things Tuesday at 7 Central. I think I want to finish this mini mentorship program out with a class Tuesday evening as well, either Tuesday evening or Wednesday evening. I'll figure that out depending on what time I can fit it in, and kind of do a culmination of how to put everything together, because I know it's kind of been everywhere. Moving's been a lot. It's just been a lot all together. So Rain asked the question of, will you show how to paper trade on Webull? Yes, so that's going to be Tuesday's class in the morning, because the stock market is closed right now and the market's closed tomorrow because of the inauguration and MLK Day. So I can't really show you guys in real time. Tomorrow's class at nighttime, I'm going to show you guys pictures of the platform, because I have pictures for Charles Schwab, which is Thinkorswim. I have pictures for Interactive Brokers, and I have pictures for Webull. So for all 3 platforms that I've suggested, whether you're international or in the US, I have diagrams for those that I'm going to pull up, but we're going to actually do it in real time on, in real time on Tuesday, if that makes sense. You know what's crazy? I closed out that swing trade, so they got me there. I cannot find the PowerPoint for tonight, Kendall. I had to get a whole new computer because it broke in the middle of moving. But that's fine. We're going to teach off the charts and we're just going to call it a day. Okay, so with that being said, I do want to first and foremost, someone had asked a question about cryptocurrency. Have you guys seen the Trump coin that's been going around? Have y'all?
How's your day? She does have diagrams for those. Huh? I'm trying to watch this little course thing, bro. Trying to learn some. Let me delete that. Your mommy cooked last night, be honest. What do you mean play the vid, boy?
I've seen that a lot of people have been making a whole bunch of money off of that coin, right? I wonder, is there a chart for that? Is there like a chart that we can look at
Trying to
for
learn about
that?
risk
The
management.
thing that gets me about cryptocurrency is like with
Understand.
cryptocurrency, it doesn't have anything to do with um let's see. Yeah.
You need to get to 1200.
Hmm.
It's getting bad, man.
Right, exactly. It
Bro,
can
I
be
could have made
pulled
so
at
much. Let me
any
show you,
time.
bro.
It's kind
Bro,
of
hold
it's
on.
kind of nerve wracking
Let me
if I
pause
if
this
I
real
do
quick.
say so myself.
Bro, you don't even get it, Bill. Put my chat back up. Alright. I should low key sound like old girl, low key. What? Hey, check. Bro, look at this, Bill. Hold on. Bro, I had got in like I got in like somewhere over here. I made money, but I got in like somewhere like when it broke. I think I got in like somewhere up here, and then I took out like up here or somewhere, but it went all the way up here, bro. Imagine I would have kept in all the way to right here. But I knew it was gonna keep going up because it broke this resistance line. But I ain't know how much it was gonna go up. I was like, let me just make money real quick. Cause I was already in the trade for like 50 minutes. I'm like, let me just get out. I'm sick of holding this. And like, bro, it's not crazy, bro. It's not crazy. This was like 9:30. I would have had to hold it till like 9:30. But I got out at like 9:15 or something, like right around here. Like, bro, imagine I held it to 9:30. That would have been crazy. And I had 2 contracts up too. So I would have made bread, but anyway. Yeah, man. That's how that went. You sound like old girl. Who you talking about?
So it was like late in the middle of the night, right? Melania has a coin too. Is that proven? Like that's actually like
I knew
Melania's
this
coin,
video.
or is it just like a regular?
Yeah, I could have made bread on that.
Oh wow, maybe that's another buying opportunity. So for those who are not well versed or don't really pay attention to
You know,
cryptocurrency and things, I don't blame you.
but it don't sound. Oh yeah, you check right now. I literally don't. I could have made bread back in the day, bro. Just dwelling on it, bro. What was it, like 2024? Dude, I remember that jump, bro. And man, Trump had dropped the coin, but on Solana, but I remember that jump, but bruh, I could make bread like no true jump, bro. But you literally couldn't buy Solana that day. I remember that jump, bro. I had just had some Solana. I had sold it, bro. Like if I had Solana, I would have put up. I would. Oh my goodness. Anyway.
Cryptocurrency is kind of scary, right? So a couple nights ago, if I'm not mistaken, yesterday night, yesterday at 1 a.m. around that time, Donald Trump put a tweet out and he was like, "Hey, we have an official Trump meme coin." I'm gonna be real with you guys. For an actual president to have a meme coin is insane. And let me tell you guys why this is insane. The thing about meme coins is they are funded specifically from people putting money in there, right? And increasing the market cap on it. So it's like, let's say Donald Trump put $10 million to this meme coin at the beginning, right? If everybody buys in and pushes the coin upwards, he can literally pull out all his money with have so much money, mind you, complete rug pull and drop the coin itself. But that's what scares me about cryptocurrency. So a lot of times people will ask me like, Sierra, do you trade cryptocurrency? I am scared. I do trade cryptocurrency. Like I'm trying to get into it. That's what I want to talk about on Tuesday. But as a whole, the thing with crypto is it doesn't work how the stock market does. You know what I mean? And that, yes, exactly. That really applies to meme coins. That's what I'm
saying. She sound like the girl at church.
Or anything. But like with cryptocurrency or crypto coins, it's scary to me because like they don't move like the stocks do. However, there was a huge buy-in opportunity. If I personally was awake at that time on Saturday, I would have put a lot of money into this coin. Personally, I would have done it just off the fact that I know people would have ran it in. I ran it up personally. There was somebody, I don't know if you guys saw the tweet that I had put in the crystal chat, but there was a guy who had put $1 million into the coin. He's still, I don't know as of right now, but
They talk in the same rhythm and voice sound similar. Yeah, boy. I don't know.
he hadn't sold his position, and he was up like $1 million to I think as of this morning it was over like $300 million, because he had got in at like 18 cents and it went all the way up to $75 at a point. I think the highest was 79. I think that's crazy. I hope people lose money personally. Me, when I did the $2 million, I would have been out personally, but again, not everybody is.
Maybe she doing that work right.
I do want to have the webinar on Tuesday. If you guys remember, I want to do a webinar on Tuesday about long-term investing. I want to do it about cryptocurrency. I want to talk about day trades and swing trade opportunities. So let's talk really quickly before we get into anything about what this means for tomorrow. Okay. Now, I've been watching the news. If you guys don't watch the news, I feel like you guys, as far as stocks go, should make a habit of continually watching the news, especially with us getting a new president. The reason being is it's specifically, and this is going to sound bad to say, it's specifically because we are getting Donald Trump as a president. I don't know if anybody remembers. Was anybody trading in 2016? I was not trading in 2016. I was like 3 years old in 2016. But when I studied the markets between 2016 and 2020, or even just remember like what I heard was happening, Donald Trump says a lot, okay? Whether you like him or not, that's not my business. I personally don't care. However, when he did mention certain companies, that would create extreme volatility. So there would be days where he would make comments about, like, for example, Apple, or he would talk about Google, and the stock market would just absolutely boom and or drop depending on what it was that was said. So watching the actual news is going to be very, very important for us in this economical climate. Okay, that's number one. Not for this class, Bridge. And so there are certain companies that I feel like are going to personally do really well with Donald Trump being president. Like specifically, like we have Apple, we have Google, we have Meta. What's another one? It was Apple, Google, Meta, Tesla. I don't know how I forgot Tesla. Are companies that are going to do really well because their CEOs have something to do with Donald Trump, right? Tesla specifically, if you guys aren't aware, Elon is the head of the Department of Government Efficiency, aka Doge. I don't know if you guys are familiar with Dogecoin or anything, but that pushed it up when he what was it? Got, I guess, named as that. I think that was interesting. Sabrina asked a good question. She says, what about oil and gas? Oil and gas is another industry in addition to the major banks. So like your Goldman Sachs, for example, would also be seeing probably a spike from Donald Trump going into office. Now, I want us to be able to absolutely capitalize off of what we have going on.
Chaz, it's still possible for me to get
at the end of the day, I don't want us to just sit here and watch the market pass us by. I don't want it to sit here and all the stocks are either going upwards or they're going downwards. So if you guys remember from our first ever mini mentorship class, right? I was talking about how we can make money whether or not the stocks go upwards or they go downwards, right? So regardless of when Donald Trump goes into office, regardless if the stocks go up or if they absolutely crash, we need to be able to capitalize off of that. Now, when there's something considered that we call in the stock market that we call news. News is very, very, very important. In addition to actual company news, there is something that's actual overall market news. How do we figure out market news? We go to this website right here. So for you guys who are taking notes, this is the first note that we're going to take. We find overall market news on this website here. It's called forexfactory.com. Now, we don't trade Forex. We are not doing Forex right here, but this is where we're going to hear if we have news that's going to affect the entire market on. Now, I'm going to talk about how to read it. I just want you guys to make sure you guys write the website down because this is very, very important. Before I look at any chart in the morning, I will always look at forexfactory.com. Forexfactory.com is going to tell us two things, right? It's going to tell us the impact that the news
Our
is going
chat
to
voting
happen,
poll.
or that the news
On
is
the
going
poll
to
chat,
have
do we
on the
pass
market,
$700? Yes or
and
no?
it's also going to tell us what
Let me
currency
know right now.
it falls under and the time that news report is going to be announced. Okay,
What y'all
this
got?
is
What y'all
not,
think?
when I say news, this is not
Let's
something,
go. 2
right,
yeses. Let's
Chesney?
go.
This is not something that
W.
is going to affect one singular stock. So it's not like, okay,
But what you think happened in this zone right here? What you think gonna happen? You think it's gonna fall below it? You think it's gonna go above it? You think it's gonna bounce off, come down? It's gonna stay in it? Like, what you think, man? Let me know what you think.
cool, we have news at 10 a.m. It's only going to affect Tesla. No,
Pre-shoulder
this is news that's
shrug.
going to affect every single stock that we would look to be trading at. Okay, so for example, if we look at,
Stay in for now.
let's see, let's find a good example. Or let's just look at Tuesday. Let's just look at Tuesday, right? I did, Mira. I did. So, for example, what we want to look for under forexfactory.com. Let me change this into white so we can read this.
Forex.
Write this note down. Hold on. When using
How people make money like that?
forexfactory.com, you want to make sure that you are looking for anything that falls under 1, the US dollar, 2, has a red folder. You will be checking this before
Should I start trading Forex?
market opens.
But you know,
It
Forex
could be,
is.
so Christina asked the question, says, is it best to check this day before or the morning before market opens? You can check it the morning before. You can check the news for the whole week because the news never changes. Like, you'll always see it. I could check it for 3 weeks from now. You know, it's all these days.
Forex like trading different currencies with each other, like foreign currencies, like the dollar against the European dollar and the Chinese yuan versus like the Mexican pesos, whatever the currency called. Basically like trading, like which one worth more, you can trade it against each other, just like that. Cause like to the European dollar, I think their dollar a little bit stronger, but it can rise and fall at different times of the day. So they basically like trade that, but you really gotta pay attention to like the world and geopolitics and all that type of stuff. So it's like, bro, you really gotta have some knowledge to trade that. It's basically just trading currencies against each other.
Are already set. I just check mine day by day. So let's say I woke up Tuesday morning, right? I want to look for anything that falls under the U.
You can trade regular stocks, you can trade options, you can trade futures, you can trade forex, you can trade crypto. It's 5 different things you can trade. Then futures is trading commodities like raw materials like gold, silver, oil, something like that. Corn, wheat, coffee. And forex trading currencies. Options, you basically betting whether you think it's going up or down. It's basically like you trading the stock, but you don't actually own the stock. You just like making a bet if it's going up or down. And then you can trade stocks where you just like hold the stock and then, you know, make money if it go up, but you can't make money if it go down. And then crypto, obviously, you know, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, you can trade that, something like that.
US dollar.
That's a tickle in my throat, bro.
Folder. Having it falling under the US dollar lets me know, hey, this is going to affect the US stock market, which is what we trade. Regardless if you're international or not, we're trading the US stock market. If you're trading tickers like our Amazon, our Apple, our QQQ, our SPY, we are trading the US stock market, okay? So you want to look for what's falling under our currency, what's going to affect us. So firstly, let's identify, where do we see the US dollar? Then we're going to look for
I'm finna just pull up chat on my phone, so I ain't gotta keep.
The red folder shows us the impact it's going to be having on the market. The reason why red folders are important is because when these news reports come out, they are going to make the stock market either fall down or go upwards in a high volume, right? So usually when news happens, let's actually write these notes down. We're teaching strictly office reading today. Usually when these news reports happen, the stock market
any of the 4 viewers want to give me a sub?
Fall down or push upwards a lot.
Put this right here.
It is advantageous to us to either be out.
But that exam was rough, chat. Holy smoke, that exam was. Ooh, man. And I gotta do this project. And I gotta do this other work. There's so much stuff I gotta do, bro. It's crazy. So sick of this jump, man.
Of our positions by this time and or wait.
Chat, a little 100K drop out the sky right now. I'm dropping out, promise. Right.
To take a position until after them. Most news reports, except for, and I'm going to explain all of this. I'm just writing it down because, again, I have no PowerPoint. Most news reports, except for FOMC, are just that.
Let me go back a little bit.
Reports. It's usually safe.
What it did at market open yesterday?
The trade again about 5 minutes.
Right here.
After they are reported.
But it was touching that and it came down. Broke the trend line, but then it bounced from right here, came up.
It was an entire speech.
And past that, went all the way up here.
Should be
went down, came up, went down.
When trading. Okay, let me explain this what I'm saying.
It's gonna do today.
So usually when these news reports happen, the stock market is either going to fall downwards again or push up a lot, right? So for us, it is advantageous to either be out of our positions by this time and or waiting to take position until after these trades are taken. Tomorrow's class, I'm just warning you guys in advance, is going to be a little bit long because we're going to be talking about how to enter trades, how to exit trades. We're going to talk about the Greeks, we're going to talk about contracts, and we're going to talk about how to generate a watch list. So tomorrow's class will probably be one of the longest classes that we have. Do this mini mentorship. I just did not want to overload you guys on a Sunday, and I want to make sure that my Wi-Fi is.
You know, I like to watch the market for at least like 30 minutes before I put in a trade. So I can see what it's doing. But I like it when I break, bro. Hold on, oh snap, hold on, shit. Let me just put some up. I'm gonna wait for the next candle though. I ain't gonna put it up yet. Cause they just be faking out, bro. Like it'll go up for a little bit, come like right back down. Hold on, chat. What we thinking, chat? Yeah, what we thinking right here? Alright, put up, chat. If this junk go back down, like I'm turning my PC off, and yeah, I see the momentum. Okay, chat, put in my first trade. I put in 2 contracts this time. I gotta put in multiple contracts. That's the only way to like get what I'm trying to get to. But it seemed like it was pushing up pretty hard. Seemed like it's kind of bullish. It did break the resistance line. So I put up. See how high I can get to. If it do come down, hopefully it'll bounce up from the right here and go back up. But you still in here? Appreciate the 5 viewers in the chat. Let me know how y'all feeling, man. Make some noise in the chat, man. Let me know how y'all feeling, man. Oh snap. Whew. I just hope the market don't sell me now. Wait for it to keep going, bro. It's currently 8:59 a.m. At 6:75. It did break the resistance. Let me get ready to sell. When should I sell, chat? Should I sell at 700 or should I keep it in? I'm just gonna get ready so it's already in here. When I'm ready to sell, I can just. I could sell one when they get to like 700, then keep another one in. I don't know. That's an option. Yeah, I'm up a little bit. Maybe I can do some jump like if it get to like if it drop below this maybe. But no, that ain't gonna be nothing. That actually. Okay, chat. Chat, what do I do here? B, you here? I need your help, B. What do I do here, buddy? I need you to say something in the chat. Do I pull out? Yes or no, bro? Oh, maybe my chat not updated on my phone, bro. Let me just make sure. Okay, no, I just ain't saying that. Great, B. Appreciate the 6 views in the chat. Chat, I don't know what to do, man. If it goes like that. Oh, yikes, yikes. Great, dude. What chat was going on? Yeah, let me just pull out, bro. Why Kate Nice is going down, bro? Great, man. I gotta wait now. Yeah, this Bill kid. Chat, y'all seen this Bill kid silly me. I was waiting for Bill to say something. Now I'm back at 650. Great, bro. Great. I should just pull it out, bro. It's gonna go back up, chat. It's gonna go back up. Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. It's gonna go back up. Trust. It's gonna go back up, trust. They did the same thing yesterday and it kept going back up, bro. Just hold on, bro. Just hold on, chat. Hold on. Be patient, be patient. My team's gonna bounce off this now, bro. That'll be something. But if it break through again, it's really gonna be bullish then. Bro, why am I looking at the chat for Bill to say something? Bro, I should just pull it out, bro. Great, dude. Looking for this Bill kid to say something. He not even in the chat no more, I don't think, bro. I appreciate the 6 viewers in the chat, man. Chat crazy, man. Chat, what y'all think I should do right here, be honest. I'm away, bro. Oh, brother, man. Should have at least sold one, I think. Just sell one contract. Man, that's unfortunate, bro. I just gotta hope it bounce off now. If it come right here, hopefully it just bounce off and go right back up. That's not looking good. I'm not gonna worry yet. After it break through the support now, I may get the crown. I might just get the crown live. Let's hope that don't happen. Yeah, kid just randomly disappeared when I needed it the most. Great. And I needed it the most, but it wasn't there. Great, man. Is that straight? That's cricket. Right there. Gosh, just take the win, kid. Just take the win, bro. What am I doing? Yeah, that's an L on me. I knew to take the win. What's that can spare, bro? That's one of the dumbest things I ever did. It's not good at all. Now it may go straight. Oh my gosh, dude. That's not good at all, bro. I'm gonna put in another trade, bro. Maybe it come down. Hold on. Oh, that was so stupid, bro. I might put it in, bro. $685, put. Maybe want to go back up again, bro. Let me just see, bro. Great, dude. Good. Oh, my Siri went off. Jay, I know Siri be listening to us at all times. I know that, right? Wait for the next count. I'm waiting for it to drop all the way down. I'm gonna wait, cause dude, why didn't I just take the win, bro? Could have been done for the day. Righteous. Oh, chat, we're gonna keep watching, bro. If it go 3 reds in a row, I'm gonna put up. It's 9:06 a.m. currently. That's 3 in a row, then. Put up 3 reds in a row, coming off a strong red up here too. I'm so mad. Could have been at 722. Now I'm down 100 like an idiot. Oh, freaking idiot. You gonna come back, dude? What happened? I can't, bro. Bro, what happened? Hey, you freaking sold me. That's what happened. Channel Wiki, bro. Gotta keep coming down. Dude, I knew it. I took, bro, look at this chat. I called it. I said, you gonna come back to us? Dude, what happened? You freaking sold me. That's what happened. Oh. Freak, bro. If I can make some money, but I don't even feel like explaining it, bro. I feel like it's pointless, bro. Maybe I can make it back right here, bro. Just know I was at 722. I kept looking at the chat for you to say something, and you just freaking left. Your body just fell asleep. What are you talking? Okay, yeah, man. Your body fell asleep. Yeah, man. Good one. Yeah, man, your body fell asleep totally. Look at these excuses, chat. It's crazy. Can my money update, please, bro? If I crash freak out. I was listening to what? You mean you was listening though? If I keep coming down, bro. If it keep coming down, I'm gonna be straight, bitch. Let me get to 700 and I'm out, bro. Bro, I could have pulled out right there. Then I could have went back in right here. Imagine. Could have went back in right here. Could have even got to 700. Bro, why don't this jump update real time, bro? It's gonna take a minute to update. So I'm just gonna go back up, bro. Some ledge jump. It's gotta at least come like right here, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. Spill Kid sold me, bro. Like, I'm looking at the chat waiting for him to respond. Like, bro. What is this nonsense, dude? Please come back down, friend. Please. I'm begging. About to get on my hands and knees at this point. Kid Thompson, there we go. What a joke. What a joke, man. Oh my gosh, bro. I'm about to just give up on everything, bro. About to just give up. It is when I get mad and I just get to doing stuff. That's exactly how it happened. Bro, pull out. Yeah, man. I was about to say something, but that's gonna sound crazy. But yeah, I'm not pulling out, bro. I don't care. I'm not pulling out, bro. It's gonna come back down, bro. I don't care, bro. It's got to. It's got to. Oh my gosh, it's just not coming back down, is it, bro? Come on, man. Please. Yeah. Reverse. Oh, I got it on the bottles. Bro, it's not going. Oh, hold on. I'm glad I freaking messed up right there. Maybe, just maybe. Just maybe. That's it. Oh my gosh, Bill, man. Man. Maybe if you get right here, I'll just put up, bro. I really think I can hit this line, though, bro. But it could come right here on some net shit. Let me come right here. But let it hit that amount, bro. Freak. Let's creak it a little bit. Bro, it can't, bro, be a chest, bro. You realize I could have been out right here, right? I'm freaking looking at the chat when you could have said something. Freaking missed it. Oh, we in here not chat. Like, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you, chat. Like, I don't know, bro. We just gotta wait on it now, bro. Just gotta wait now, bro. It's crazy, man. It's crazy, bro. Really, I'm 2K to ease my troubles, man. Body just fell asleep, man. You tell me you was that bored you fell asleep? Yeah, man, great. Crazy, man. See, that's why I don't need to look at chat, man, because I could have been out. Yeah, kid silly me. Bro, go, bro. What they got me? Chat, I don't know what to tell you, man. I have to get out, bro. It may try to cross again, because I already crossed once. It may try to cross again. I really like I can, but let me have to just. This freaking sucks, bro. If it don't bounce here, I'm freaking doomed. To this kid. Yeah, shut the freak. Bro, if you break out again, I'm doing another call, bro. I'm gonna ride it to death, bro. That sounds crazy. Oh, yeah. Like, bro. How do you feel about yourself right now, knowing you sold me? I got my 500 beer, like, that's a 150 loss, bro. You see that shit, bro? Dude, if it actually break this line, I literally may have to go all in, no joke. I literally may have to go all in. Literally. Like, I quite literally may have to. I'm definitely gonna be like freaking done. Let's see chat, let's see what this chat finna do, bro. Dude. Oh my gosh. Cause I know better too to freaking get out. Like, But I was still trying to wait because I was trying to see if it was gonna keep going up like it did yesterday. And that junk just didn't do that. It just did. Yeah, I think. Might just pull out, bro. It wanna. I think this shit wanna break out. Keep coming. Oh snap! Hold on. A little bit more down. Come on, a little one. Touch, touch. Then toss a hold. May hold to the next candle. Let's try to come back. Let me just hover over it. So with the next candle on some nonsense, I can pull out. I just keep tossing hold it, let it cook. It can hit, it's gonna hit, it's gonna hit. It can at least touch right here, it can at least. Shit, how y'all feeling right now, be honest? Let me know. Plug me, don't plug me, don't plug me. Johnny indecisive, act like he don't know what he want to do. Come on, come on. Might just get out soon. Bro, it's too indecisive, bro. I'm getting up. Ah, man, like, bro, can I say something? You may keep going. Look at this nonsense. Look at this foolishness. If it break that line, I'm gonna go back in, I promise. I don't care, and I don't want to hear it either. Don't you say anything. Don't you say a word, Bill. I don't want to hear it. I'm gonna go in, and I hopefully can go back to like right here. Then I'll be back at 700. I'm gonna watch though. I might not do it. I'm gonna see. Let him cook now. I just wanna take 700, bro. Now $8 for the day. I gotta at least come up positive for the day, bro. At least. Come on, break. Break. And if it do break, it pop right back up. So you still gotta be careful. It's better to wait till the next candle. It's better for it to break and then the next candle be under it. Okay, it's looking like it's pretty strong. Still gonna wait for the next candle. See if it's still under that line. So I can play. But they tell me, why did you take out view? I don't want to hear it, view. I don't want to hear it. Now, what happens if it would have went right here and went right back up? You'd be like, bro, you so. I ain't trying to hear it. Just let me cook up, view. Watch the professional, alright? Just watch the professional. What did it even get me to 700 if it touch right here? We'll find out. But then that's not the risk you take, view. You freaking. But because I knew I could just make money, I knew I was gonna put another trade in. So like, I ain't finna just risk it all and then get to like 400 and something like that, bro. It's better to just go and get out right there, put another trade in, bro. Like, it gotta come right here for me to get to 700. A little bit under, probably. I ain't wanna put 2 contracts in, cause just in case it don't go in my favor. Ain't trying to lose too much. Appreciate the 6 viewers in the chat, man. Let me know how your day going. Let me see. But it's kind of been consolidating for real the whole time still. Like, you can't even tell it's in a trend. Like, it's not really an uptrend. It's just sideways, bro. It's like a joke. Up, down, up, down, up, down. We just gotta keep coming down, bro. It was a little support and resistance right there. Then it broke the support. Hope it can come back down to this support. It'll be here freaking all day. It's starting to stagnate. Yeah. Charge like a joke, bro. Really get gray hairs. Let's see what foot be talking about now. What am I trying to update, bro? Oh wait, I'm still at 675. I should be at like 680 something right now. 685. Oh snap, hold on. I'll come back down. Just drop a little bit again. Just do it again, bro. Is that 700 though? Freaking update, bruh. Revision update. Oh yeah, I'm getting up. Let's go. Whew. Let's go. Came back, bro. It could keep going, but I really don't care. I'm done. It's just stressful. Let's go chat. Well, I did make more because I would have had 722 up there, so I made more. Let's freaking go chat. That's how you do it right there, man. Look at my geniusness. Chat, am I a genius? Yes or no? You're probably thinking, bro, you could have made more if you just would have stayed in. Like, yeah. Bitch, I do another one at this point. I'll chill. Now watch this joint. It's gonna come all the way down here, B. I'm calling it now. It's gonna come all the way down here. But I don't care, bro. I'm not doing it, bro. Okay, bitch, I take that risk right here. I ain't finna do that. It's going back up, bro. I feel like it's gonna come back down. This just gonna come to, tell you, mark my words, bro. It's gonna come to like right here, bro. I'm trying to tell you. Ain't even finna end yet. I wanna watch it. I wanna see what it's gonna do. I just wanna watch it. Bro, by now, I'm gonna watch it till like 9:30. It's just gonna be like right here, bro. Maybe not, but knowing me, knowing how this junk work, it's probably gonna be like a long bearish candle out of nowhere. It's just gonna come like right here. Let me just put a line like right here, just gonna come like right here, bro. Would that be crazy? If it do, I'd be weak, bro. Yeah, you think it come right here by 9:30? Be honest. You don't think so? Cause bro, once it break this freaking support, bro, I'm trying to tell you, bro. I'm trying to tell you, bro. All right, bro. I think it come right here, bro. I'm trying to tell you, bro. This junk get crazy, bro. But once it break, bro, that junk can keep going, bro. Let's see. Yeah, you wanna lock $1? Let me just play a 2K game real quick. Just wait, but hey, I'm up bread, chat, so I'm satisfied. Dude, I can really get to 1250 in the next 7 days, but it's gonna require risk. But do I wanna take that chance though? Yeah, but that's the thing. Oh my goodness, he crossed. Hey. What you said, yes, buddy, too? What happened? Can't even remember. Was you changing it from no to yes? So, Rockstar, give me that. Let's go. I gotta get an A minus. Get my freaking jump. Get my shooting take jump. Oh, take the risk. Yeah, bro, I'm gonna have to, bro. After the day, I got 7 days, bro. Wait, no, I got 7 days to wait. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 7 days after this. Okay. I'm gonna have to take the risk. Okay, maybe start going up again. That sent me a screen, man. Dude. Pass it, pass it. Shoot. Let's go. Told you, it ain't 9:30 yet, buddy. You'll be surprised. It ain't 9:30 yet. Just wait on it. But all it took is one red candle to freaking shoot all the way down, but some nut junk happened before. Dang it, no. Okay, that's not turn over good. Oh yeah. Hey. So how y'all feeling right now? Appreciate the 6 viewers. So what y'all gonna eat for breakfast? Let me know. Do y'all go eggs and bacon? Let me know right now. I go eggs, bacon, toast. And with some syrup. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, what a pass. Hey. Oh snap. But you still got the no. You still got the under. I got the over. It may not pass. It may come like, if it don't touch, it's gonna come like right here. By 9:30, I still think it can go right there, bro. Hey man, we'll see. Should I do a poll in the chat? I ain't finna go at it. But these challenges take forever, bro. I need to win, what, 39 more games with a teammate grade of A- or higher. Let's do these Street Kings games, bro. Just grind these out, get my badges. I can't believe I sold like that, bro. I meant to freaking make my bills so you can get to a 99 already, bro. I hit no. What an idiot. Bro, chat, imagine I put up right here though. I got that 722 and then put up again over here somewhere. I would have been like 800 something right now. It's pretty close, Bill. It's pretty close. Got 1 minute chat, 9:29, 1 minute chat. Let's see what the next gonna do. Everything a foul in this jump, bro. What? Bro, passed her up. Okay, it's going back up. Alright, it's not gonna touch it. Alright, it's 9:30 chat. However, we gotta wait. You gotta wait for 9:30 to win. We gotta wait for 9:30 to win. That's the only test. Hey, bro, it did flirt with it. It can still come down. It did flirt with it though a little bit. Oh my, oh, Bill. Oh, well, you would have owed me $1, Bill. Now we're gonna wait for it to close though. Bro, I knew it, bro. I knew it, bro. Bro, I'm trying to tell you, bro. Once it break that line, bro. I'm trying to tell you, bro. If I'm already knowing, bro, I could have been up bread, bro. I'm gonna wait for it to close, though. Wait for it to close. Yeah, Bill. Yeah, kept it. Yeah, my buddy saying should have kept it. Yeah, man. Well, oh yeah, you would have owed me $1, man. I told you, bro. I'm like, it's gonna keep going down, bro. So I'm telling you, bro. It's that crazy, bro. It went up, down, up, down, up, down. Broke this line right here. It was in the support resistance right here. It broke that level. Then the bigger support resistance up here, up here. Once it broke this level, I'm like, this jump probably gonna keep going, but I gotta make bread. So, but I already knew it, bro. So I was like, I could have kept in, but I'm like, bro, I gotta see my money go up, bro. Like, I gotta have it. You feel me? I gotta see it. Bro, tomorrow, if it do this, if it's like a pattern like this, I'm gonna keep it in, bro. I'm gonna try to like, I don't know, bro. I gotta at least make like 100 plus in a day, bro. Cause I be losing sometimes. Like I'll lose and make lose like $120, bro. But I only make like $60. Like, come on, bro. Jack a joke. But anyway, chat. Hope y'all enjoy it, man. Do we look-y call that? I don't know, man. What you talking about? Not we said do we look-y call it? Put a call in? What you mean? Like. Anyway, chat. Hope y'all enjoy it, man. This trading junk a joke, as you can see. Like a sick joke. Oh yeah, good one. Yeah, this junk cooked. This junk done. It's probably gonna keep going down. If it's anything like this yesterday, let me go back to yesterday. It just kept rising, bro. But when it stopped rising, like 9:33. It say 10, but it's 9. They going on Eastern time, so 9:33 it stopped rising. I mean, shoot, but you think you do the same thing again, but this time it just go up. But you actually consider doing that, you trolling, bro. You know how you get. But I don't think I want to do that, I'm be honest, because you never know. I ain't gonna do that, bro. It could go up free, cause I just have to miss it, bro. Cause yeah, I ain't gonna do that, bro. And knowing me. Oh nah, but look at this shit. Yeah, forget. Let me get off before I do something dumb. All right, chat. I'm gonna end the screen. Hope y'all have a good one. Hope y'all take care. Eat some breakfast or some junk. I don't know. Be a tea mama said it was good. I mean, no. Anyway. All right. Hope y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a good one. Goodbye. God bless.